Hey, I'm Mike with Skinner Screens, and we're going to do a little tutorial today on Tilt-Sash Windows. So we're installing screens at this customer's home, and they have what are known as Tilt-Sash Windows, meaning the lower sash leans in towards the house. So what we have to do is remove the old screens from the inside of the home and then replace it. So this is how a tilt-sash window works. The first thing you do is you take the latch, unlock the window like so, and then we're going to lift the window up about an inch so that it clears this bottom piece here. So you'll have a little gap. Now we're going to have latches on top. Jay, get in here. So there are little latches on each side of the window on the left and right. So we're going to pull those latches inward and lean this window back. This window will lay all the way in. It's also easy to clean. So with glass cleaner, you can clean it, wipe it off. Then what we're going to do is take our window screen. We're going to place it in the slot. So placed it in the slot, pulled our tabs down, pushed it up. Now we've got our screen in. We're going to push our glass back up, our window. And that will latch back in place. And then we'll close the window and lock it. So pull the window back down. And then we will latch the windows to lock those windows. And that is a quick tutorial on Tilt-Sash Windows, just in case you didn't know and you ever wondered how to get the window screens out without bending the frames. Skinner's Custom Screens, 512-863-5145. Give us a call. Skinner Screens, 512-863-5145. You can also find us on the web at skinnersscreens.com.